Hi guys, it's John from Stanway Evangelical Church, and I'm going to talk today about salt and light. So, you may ask, what has salt and light got to do with Jesus or the Bible? Well, actually, both of these are in the Bible and they're in Matthew. So, but just let me explain some things first. So, salt. Why do we use salt? Why do we have salt? Well, salt is actually made to complement food sometimes, food. So if I taste it, that's salty, really salty. And actually what salt does, that enhances the flavour of food. And if you cooked food and you didn't put no salt or pepper in it, mainly salt, it wouldn't have that so much flavour. This really brings out the flavour of all the food you want to try. And in Matthew 5:13, Jesus talks about salt, and he kind of said to his disciples that they were to be like salt to the world, which means they were to make the world a better place. And you might sort of say, well, how can we make the world a better place with salt? Well, it's about enhancing things. So if we tell people about Jesus, and if the way we're living shows them that we're different, that's enhancing our world, because we're actually showing people that there's a better way to live, and a better value system to live by being salt to the world. Secondly, we have a candle, and again in Matthew 5:14-15, it talks about a candle, and I'll just read that to you if I may. So if I just come down here, I'll talk about the salt first. You are the salt of the earth, but if the salt loses its flavour, how shall it be seasoned? It is then good for nothing but to be thrown out and trampled underfoot. So that's what I was kind of saying, that if we're not going to be salt to the world, if we're not going to show people that we're different, then what good is it us following Jesus? What good is it having a faith if we're not going to be Jesus to the world, and people seeing Jesus in us? And then the second one is light. So it talks about candles that give off light, like this one does. Don't touch this at home. If you're going to do this little object lesson, make sure you've got an adult with you. But do you know what? A candle can't do its job if I take it off there and I put a bowl underneath it. There's still light under there, but nobody can see it. And the longer nobody sees it, the more chance it's got of going out. So, and a candle can't do its job if it's covered up, can it? In fact, they don't even stay lit. They go out, see? Now Jesus says that because we're his friends, we are like candles to the world. People, when they see us, they see a light in us, and that's Jesus. And but if we hide away like this, if we don't live a proper life, if we are only sort of a light some of the times, eventually our light will go out and it stays hidden. So we need to, when we're out in the community, we need to be shown, being an example to people. We need to show people that we're different, and how we're being different is being kind, is not gossiping about people, is helping people out, and it's just being all those things that Jesus would want us to be, i.e. being friends with Jesus. So it says in the Bible, You are a light to the world. A city that is set on a hill cannot be hidden. So if that candle was lit again and it's on top of the hill, it can't be hidden. Nor do they light a lamp and put it under a basket, but on a lampstand, and it gives off light to all who are in the house and in the world. Let your light shine before men, that they may see your good works and glorify our Father in heaven. So, just to finish off, we're to be salt to the world, we're to enhance the world, to make it a better flavour, to make us better people. We're to be a light to the world by how we live and by what we do, and letting people see that we're different. So in us, they see Jesus. Okay, thank you guys, and I'll probably see you tomorrow. Thank you.